Welcome everyone back to Mr. Dar Weather Update. In today's video we're looking at the Weather Channel radar and what's going to happen today. We're just going to look at the short range forecast today and then look at the longer range on the GFS, see what's going to happen in the next few weeks. Now obviously there will be some hot air, just one for 1 or 2 days, so not really a heat wave. Obviously a heat wave means the 3 consecutive days over 25 Celsius in areas, but in London it is 25, so that's when they get a heatwave threshold. However, they are reaching heatwave thresholds on around, I think it's Monday, so we're getting to temperatures over 30 degrees in London only. Maybe a few hot air might spread out into areas of the northern England and Scotland where that's a lot cooler, so it's only in certain areas. So we're going to have a look at the live radar first. So as you can see here, for northern Scotland, we have seen a few bands of precipitation moving in from the Atlantic Ocean. So a little bit of low pressure coming in through there. There has been a few showers today, so a little bit more of a low pressure. And then obviously some more showers. So you've got some rain coming up into the northern England. And in terms of temperature today, we have just about the average actually. It's been like an average summer day for today, as well as the temperatures. We've only seen temperatures over like 22, maybe the high teens in north, and then in Scotland maybe the mid to high teens. So obviously the hottest air in London. So yeah, pretty standard day for now. Moving on to this, obviously getting colder. So now we're going to have a look at the UKV and what the precipitation is going to be like for the next few days. Obviously then band of rain, possibly moderate to heavy, just lingering in Scotland. And then into Saturday, we have got a few showers or a few bands of rain pushing into areas of Wales. Sorry. Bring in some band of rain, and also might be bringing some scattered showers into northern England as well, and a few showers actually in bits of Cornwall. Not lasting all day. Some may stay, however that will be dissipating throughout the day. Again, still a few scattered showers in Scotland, but nothing too bad on Saturday. Quite a perfect summer's day if the temperatures are looking good. And again, on to Sunday, little to no precipitation, maybe a few showers in Ireland, but nothing much is going on. There's actually not much cloud either, so quite a nice clear day. Then coming into Monday, we can see some bands of thundery and heavy showers that would be pushing into Scotland and then moving out into the east. And then on Tuesday, there will be a band of rain coming into the England, and a few more scattered showers and a few more cloud. Again, another band of nearly heavy, maybe thundery rain into northern Scotland. Possibly locally heavy rainfall is expected there, so please watch out if you're in that area. In terms of temperatures, today hasn't been too hot. It's only been to like 22 or 23. I think the highest we've only got to like 23 or maybe 20 and the odd 24. However, it's been a wildly cool day. Sticking to around the average, maybe a tad bit below average in northern England. However, nothing too insane. And moving on into Saturday. Where is this right? Oh, sorry. I thought I broke the thing. So, moving on to Saturday again. Widely well, less hot day. Less hot than we've seen, obviously, in a few days. However, a little bit warmer in terms of how far the temperatures are spreading. We are seeing the odd 25 now in areas, but we are seeing quite a widespread mid to low 20s, mainly mid 20s, possible 25 in some areas, 23, 24 in northern England, and the odd high teen, maybe 22, and into Scotland, mid to low teens, due to where it is, of course. Now, are we on Saturday? And then moving on to Sunday, where the hot air is starting to make its presence. Maybe not as strong as what we're going to see on Monday, but you can see it start coming just for now. So if we move just a little bit further into Sunday, that hot air is gradually getting a little bit hotter, getting warmer than we see in a few days, and are now seeing more temperatures going up to the 27 and 28 mark. So if we have a look on Sunday, most of the hot air is sticking to the south and east probably. We have quite a widespread 27 and 26 in some areas in southern England, and we might see a possible 28 in some areas. So obviously that hot air is building in, getting ready for Monday, so we can see the odd 28 there. However, quite a widespread 27 and 26. A little bit cooler in the north, maybe a bit hotter there, maybe the low to mid 20s in the north, and then obviously the mid to high teens. And then obviously decreasing into the night. There's a nighttime temperatures a little bit more uncomfortable, and then them temperatures are rapidly increasing a lot more, and this is the hottest we will be able to see for now. And this hot air is expected to be in areas of, well, in eastern southern England area, such as London, bits of Norwich, bits of Lincolnshire, is where we're going to see that 30-degree heat. We might see, we're going to see temperatures in the mid to low 30s, so getting to quite hot conditions now. We might see areas of 31, 32, possibly a 33, and maybe a 40 or 30% chance of a 34. That is very exceptional for the year, even in August, so very above average. Getting a little bit more dangerous in terms of heat level, so obviously please take care when you're out if it does get into that. However, we might see quite a good amount of area is getting to the 32 and 33 mark, so quite hot temperatures actually. 33 is possible, possibly a 34, which obviously that is quite a hot temperature for England. Obviously we are used to seeing maybe the mid 20s, so obviously please take care as you're in that sun. Hopefully not as bad as hopefully the temperatures won't be as bad in areas of northern England, maybe the odd 27 or 28 in some areas, in the odd area. Obviously moving up to the north, mid to high teens, just away from that band of heat. And if you have a look into like southwest, a lot cooler. We're only going to see the southeastern England is getting that heat wave temperature. It's not a heat wave. It's only going to be for 1 or 2 days, but it's still quite a hot day. So please take care if the UV levels are high. If you don't like the hot weather, please take care as well. Dress appropriately. Make sure to obviously keep hydrated. Due to if we do see 34, that please make sure that happens. So yeah, quite a widespread 30 degrees, and a lot of temperatures going over 30 degrees, which is very above average for the time of year. So again, we're getting into evening, still holding on to a 31 here in the evening, possibly even a 32 if we're lucky. So yeah, we're still holding on to 29, 23, 29, 30, 31 in the evening. Decreasing a little bit more in midnight, but again, it looks like for the southeast, a little bit of a hotter night, getting to 20 degrees as the bare minimum, which is quite hot for a night. And then hopefully for Tuesday, a lot cooler, maybe the odd 28 in as the heat air escapes. We might see a few more 28s on Tuesday, but nothing compared to what we saw on Monday. Again, a widespread 25, 26, 27, and possibly 28 degrees here, but obviously 28 degrees, nothing compared to what we saw on Monday. So it could technically be a heat wave if we obviously London has the heat wave thresholds. If anything's above 28, that means that I'll just check my thing. If anything's above 28, it is considered a heat wave. So we might be able to hit the heat wave thresholds, but that is what it's going to be like for now. Again, going into Wednesday, a lot cooler, just going to 23, 24, maybe a 25 on Wednesday. So a lot cooler day on Wednesday in most areas. Maybe getting to 25 in some areas, but nothing compared to what we saw. Okay, so we're now going to have a look at the Met check on what pressure is going to be in charge of the UK for now, for the rest of the week really. So in terms of today, we have seen a few bands of low-ish pressure. We have got a few more high pressure systems to the south. We seem to define off more lower pressure here, giving it Scotland a few showers. So that's what that happens. And pushing into Sunday, we have a band of heavy, low pressure coming in towards Ireland and bits of Scotland and Northern England. Possibly this could be the thunder shower that we saw on the GFS. So again, an area of low pressure, higher pressure to the south, low pressure towards the north and Scotland. Again, low pressure moving in on Tuesday, giving us more band of showers, as that is quite nearby. And then on to Wednesday, again a few more high pressure, then another low pressure system comes in to give us a band of rain. That is going to happen on Thursday. And then looking for next week, a little bit more settled day, maybe the odd, we have still got that system of low pressure giving us that wet weather. However, our high pressure is sticking towards us for now, maybe giving us the odd isolated or scattered shower for now, for next week. But that is what we're going to be seeing for next week in terms of rain and pressure. So a little bit of an overall view. We're going to see temperatures quite high coming onto Monday. Hopefully a little bit cooler for next week, next Friday, and a little bit of mix of high pressure and low pressure. So we might see a mix of showers and then a mix of sunny spells. So a little bit changeable, but nothing too out and ordinary for the summer for next week. Thank you very much for watching.